Justice submit by next week a preliminary report on the tragic drowning deaths of the two Ateneo men's basketball recruits have been pushed later on after today's interview with the basketball team's coaching staff headed by the just resigned Thomas Anthony Baldwin. And as Ryan Lesigas reports, clashing statements and claims by today's witnesses against those from players will entail more time for the DILG and CIDG in turning out a credible initial report and recommendation.
The accounts of players who took part in the training in the Bacolod Aurora do not match the accounts of resigned head coach Tab Baldwin and the other members of the Ateneo Blue Eagles coaching staff. This was revealed by DILG Secretary Junvic Remulla after Baldwin and two other members of the coaching staff appeared before the CIDG this morning to give their statements regarding what really happened during the training. Because of this, Remulla said they will refrain from commenting on the matter for now.
In the heat of it all kasi, yung nangyari ang lahat, ibang accounts ng players, ibang accounts ng coaches. Kasi ibang vantage points, iba yung mga players nasa dagat, yung mga coaches nasa pangpang. So, doon lang, kinukuha lang namin yung mga full details, tapos gagawa kami ng conclusive report.
In relation to this, they will also postpone submitting their recommendation to the Department of Justice or DOJ. Their target was supposed to be Tuesday, but it may take another week to complete it.
We are piecing together the testimonies of what makes sense and what doesn't. And it will take us a while. It will take us another week before we come up with a report. Kasi kulang yung culpability ng institutions, kailangan rin namin mahanap. So we need a full investigation.
On Thursday, the president of Ateneo de Manila University is also scheduled to appear before the CIDG to give a statement. Meanwhile, the CIDG is already in possession of the drone footage provided by Baldwin. However, they said the footage is too short and has not been of much help to their ongoing investigation. According to the CIDG, Baldwin's statement is crucial in determining what really happened during the training that ended in tragedy. As head coach, roughly 90% of the execution decisions would have come from him. This means that Baldwin's directives were followed by the players, whether inside the court or during training activities. Ryan Lesigas for The Nation.